Okay, so what I did was I added a little bit after I put the tomato sauce. I had put a few more shakes of sea salt, okay, and also a little bit more of the poultry seasoning southern blend, okay, just a few more shakes. Okay, so this is done, all right, and the spaghetti is done, okay, the grain-free spaghetti. What I did with the spaghetti is I added a little bit of ghee on top and a little bit of olive oil, okay, and mixed it in with there, transferred it out of the pot into the container, and now I'm going to take these meatballs and I'm going to put it into here. And I must say that I did outdo myself with this, because as you can see, I devoured that spaghetti. I mean, words can't even explain, so I'm not even going to try to explain. What I'm going to do is maybe tomorrow I might go and visit a friend's house and see how they, like this food, and let y'all see the reaction. All right? So until the next time, dog, go home, eat.